Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about something that caught my attention recently. And honestly, I was skeptical at first, but after digging in I realized it might, actually, be a game changer for a lot of people trying to get into affiliate marketing, especially if you're new or overwhelmed with the usual workload that comes with it. It's called Affiliate Real AI. Now, I've been around the affiliate marketing scene for a while, and I've seen tons of tools come and go. Some promise to automate everything. Some promise passive income. But most of them leave you with half-finished tools or templates that require way more time and effort than they claim. So when I heard about Affiliate Real AI, saying you could launch an affiliate business in under a minute, with no writing, no video editing, and no ad spend, I had to take a closer look. Affiliate Real AI claims to build complete affiliate mini-sites that are ready for traffic and commissions with just a few clicks. Think product review sites, comparison articles, blogs, videos, and even SEO-optimized content, all created by artificial intelligence. It's designed to help you skip the hard parts, like researching niches, creating content, shooting review videos, building a site, and trying to figure out SEO. That's a lot of steps taken care of for you if the software delivers what it promises. The process starts with entering a keyword. That's where Affiliate Real AI finds top-selling affiliate products from networks like Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and more. Once you choose a product, the app pulls in product details, generates content, and even creates a review video using an AI avatar that can include your picture and branding. You don't need to write a script or film anything. The video is automatically generated and embedded into your new mini-site. From there, Affiliate Real AI moves into traffic generation. This is where it gets really interesting. The platform includes a built-in traffic suite with 8 different strategies to help bring visitors to your site. It automatically creates short videos to post on platforms like YouTube and social media, finds questions to answer on Quora and Reddit with your site link, creates and pins graphics on Pinterest, generates PDFs and slide decks to share, writes long-form videos, locates guest post opportunities, creates Google Web Stories, and even builds AI-powered chat blogs. All of this is designed to get eyeballs on your affiliate links without you needing to spend a cent on paid advertising. For people who want to go further, Affiliate Real AI also allows you to sell the sites you build. Since you have commercial rights, you can flip mini-sites on marketplaces like Flippa, or offer affiliate site creation as a service to local businesses or online influencers. Some users are making anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s by selling done-for-you affiliate sites. That's another income stream beyond commissions. I have to say, while the claims sound a bit too good to be true, the tool does seem to deliver a lot of functionality that would normally take hours or even days to do manually. Of course, there's always room for improvement with any AI-generated content. And if you really want your sites to rank long-term, you're still going to need to tweak the content a bit, add some personal touches, and stay consistent with promoting your site. But for beginners who struggle to get started, or even seasoned marketers looking to scale quickly, this could be a time-saving asset in your toolkit. What I really appreciate is that there's no recurring monthly fee right now. You get full access for a one-time payment, which is pretty rare for tools that include AI video creation, content writing, and built-in traffic generation. And just to add a bit of reassurance, they also offer a 2-week money-back guarantee. So if you try it and it doesn't work for you, you're not stuck. To me, this feels like a tool that's best used as a launching pad. It won't replace deep strategy or real marketing skills, but it removes a lot of the barriers that stop people from taking action in the first place. If you've been sitting on the fence about starting affiliate marketing, this might just be the nudge you need. Let me know in the comments what you think about tools like Affiliate Real AI. Would you try it, or do you prefer to build everything manually? I'll be hanging out down there replying to as many of you as I can. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe if you want more honest takes on marketing tools and online income strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.